Welcome back to FreeAdvice.com. Today we're going to be discussing auto insurance for medical professionals and different tips that you can use to save if you are in the medical field. Now, because there are so many different types of medical professionals, auto insurance for medical professionals comes in a wide range of costs. Many of the best auto insurance companies offer discounts on car insurance for medical professionals. Now, another way to find a discount if you are a medical professional would be to visit our website, FreeAdvice.com, using our free quote generator tool. All you need to do is enter your zip code, and within minutes, you will be able to compare rates from all the top auto insurance providers in your area, and you'll be able to choose the cheapest, best option for you and your circumstances. You don't have to visit 10 different websites to get quotes. It's all right there on one page, ready for you. It's fast, it's free, it's easy. So head over today to FreeAdvice.com and get started finding your insurance quotes today. Now, healthcare workers can get discounts on car insurance based on professional affinity groups, higher education, and having a safe driving history. Insurance industry studies have shown that statistically, nurses are safer drivers than doctors based on doctors filing more accident claims. Doctors also may have higher insurance premiums than nurses due to higher levels of job-related stress and the likelihood of owning more expensive cars. Safe driving, telematics, school grades, bundling, and other discounts are also available to lower insurance premium costs for medical professionals. Now, here are some tips on how to get the best healthcare worker discounts on your auto insurance. You'll also find some interesting information on whether medical professionals in general are good drivers, including statistics on whether nurses are safer drivers than doctors. Now, can healthcare workers get discounts on car insurance? Absolutely. Absolutely, they can. Now, before we discuss that though, I want to offer you, whether you're a medical professional or not, a surefire way to get discount on your auto insurance. And that would be by visiting FreeAdvice.com. Within minutes, you can have access to the top insurance providers in your area and quotes from them that you can easily compare right there on your screen to decide which option is best for you. Sometimes that option will be what is the cheapest. Sometimes, maybe the cheapest doesn't quite offer all of the benefits that you're looking for. You'll be able to compare that too, all on one page, and make an informed decision on which car insurance is best for you. Our free quote comparison tool is fast to use, it's easy, and as I mentioned, it's free. So what's stopping you? Go visit FreeAdvice.com today and get your free auto insurance quotes. Now, so here are some general risk factors that affect car insurance rates. Now, auto insurance companies, they factor in several things when they're coming up with how much to charge you for auto insurance. They favor customers who are likely to be a low-risk driver while charging high-risk customers higher premiums. Now, here are some other things that they take into account. Your age, your car type, your coverage and claim history, your credit rating, your driving history, your education, your gender, location, mileage, and usage, as well as your profession. Now, to elaborate on a few of these, statistically, teen and elderly drivers are more likely to have car accidents than drivers between the age of 30 and 69. So young drivers and elderly drivers can expect to pay a little bit more for their car insurance. If you have lapses or gaps in coverage and frequent claims, you're going to pay a little bit more for your car insurance premium. Now, even though women are statistically less risky drivers than men, between the ages of 20 and 69, women generally pay similar rates as men, and sometimes higher rates. Another thing that affects your car insurance premium is your annual mileage and car usage. Motorists who drive infrequently and short distances will pay less than those who have long commutes, because simply the risk of an accident is less the less you drive. The more you drive, the more you're at risk for getting into a car insurance or a car accident. Now, the last on our list for what auto insurance companies take into account when determining your premium is profession. Insurance companies collect data on which professions have the most accident claims, and they give discounts to professions based on the better driving statistics. Another way you can save money on car insurance is to visit FreeAdvice.com. Simply type in FreeAdvice.com, click on auto insurance, click compare rates, and then enter your zip code. And within minutes, you will be able to compare quotes from all the top insurance providers in your area. It's fast, it's free, it's easy, and so convenient to do. You can do it from your computer or your phone, and you'll be able to compare rates, which car insurance company is the cheapest, which offers the best discounts, which prioritizes your values. You can compare between all of those things in one-stop shopping at FreeAdvice.com. Head over today. Now, here are some risk factors specifically for medical professionals that can affect car insurance rates. Auto insurance for healthcare workers can be expensive because medical professionals can be viewed as high-risk motorists. Doctors tend to be the highest risk drivers because of job-related factors like high stress, long hours, and lack of sleep. Nurses, on the other hand, are considered more careful drivers than doctors, and therefore they often see lower rates for auto insurance for nurses. In fact, NursingTimes.net reported on a study that showed doctors make more car insurance claims than nurses. In fact, 8 of the top 10 professions for car insurance claims were made up of health and social care professionals. 75% of the top 20 were health professionals. As well as doctors, the top 10 also featured clinical psychologists, drug counselors, community nurses, dental surgeons, and hospital managers. Now, due to those risk factors, car insurance for doctors can be more expensive than for nurses. Other reasons doctors tend to have higher insurance premiums than nurses include being in a higher income bracket and, as I mentioned before, owning more expensive vehicles. They have a higher take-home pay so they can afford a more expensive vehicle. Now, whether you're a doctor or a nurse or someone else in the healthcare field, one way to save money is by visiting FreeAdvice.com. Even if you own an expensive vehicle, it's a good idea to compare car insurance quotes so you can get the best deal possible. At FreeAdvice.com, using our free quote generator tool, all you need to do is enter your zip code, and within minutes, you will have a list of quotes from the top insurance providers in your area, and you can quickly compare between those and determine which car insurance company best meets your needs and budget. It's fast, free, and it's easy. FreeAdvice.com. Head over there today. Now, there are a couple of discounts available for healthcare workers. One would be discounts based on education. As your level of education increases, your rates decrease. Some estimate a 4% savings for motorists with a postgraduate degree. And since medical professionals tend to have a more advanced education, they should see lower premiums based on that. Also, different groups that healthcare workers might be affiliated with, such as military groups or alumni associations, honor societies, professional associations. Often a lot of those groups offer or partner with auto insurance companies to offer medical professionals discounts. It's definitely something to look into. Now, how can you get the cheapest rates for car insurance? Well, the top way is to head over to FreeAdvice.com. Within minutes, you will have access to the top insurance providers in your area, and a listing of quotes from them that you can then compare and decide which is best for me, which priorities that these auto insurance companies offer are my priorities, and what benefits do they each offer that might be useful to me. You can compare all of that very quickly at FreeAdvice.com using our free quote generator tool. Head over there today. Now, here are some additional ways to get cheap rates for car insurance. Safe driver discounts. So many different auto insurance companies offer discounts for being a safe driver. Another thing that helps you save money is by making use of telematics. Again, many auto insurance companies offer usage-based insurance that use either a mobile phone app or an in-car telematic device to monitor your driving habits like speed, braking, and cornering to more accurately determine car insurance premiums. And therefore, motorists with safer driving get a discount. Another discount available is a good student discount. That is definitely something that medical professionals could keep in mind, as so many of them are continually advancing their education. Being a good student, getting good grades on your continuing education could help you get additional discounts. Some other common ones would be you could get a discount for paying in full each year for your premium. If you're someone who is able to, instead of paying monthly, pay once a year for your car insurance premium, make sure to ask your auto insurance company for a discount when you make that payment. You can also bundle policies as a way to save money. Not just auto insurance policies, but renter's insurance, life insurance, and other kinds of insurances from these companies. Bundling those policies can help you save money. Now, 3 different case studies that we have for medical professionals on how they saved money. That's going to be the last thing we discuss in our video. But before we get to that, I want to encourage you to head over to FreeAdvice.com. Using our free quote generator tool, all you need to do is enter your zip code, answer a few questions about your vehicle make and model and your driving habits, and within minutes, you will be able to see right on your screen a list of quotes from the top insurance providers in your area. You can compare the quotes, you can compare the benefits that each auto insurance company offers, and you can make an informed, educated decision on which auto insurance is best for your needs and budget. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy. So head over to FreeAdvice.com today. Our first case study would be Dr. Johnson. They were a medical professional searching for affordable auto insurance that recognized his profession. Now, he was able to take advantage of the affinity discount specifically for healthcare workers. By taking advantage of this discount, Dr. Johnson was able to secure a lower premium tailored to his occupation. The second case study would be for Nurse Davis. Nurse Davis was known for her safe driving habits and wanted her auto insurance to reward her for that. So she enrolled in a telematics program offered by her insurance company, and that monitored over a period of time her driving habits. And since she was consistently shown to be a safe driver, she was able to save money using that telematics device. And our third is Dr. Patel, an established medical professional who wanted to maximize the savings on his auto insurance. So he decided to bundle his auto insurance policy with his homeowner's insurance policy from the same insurance company. By consolidating his policies, Dr. Patel received a discounted rate on his auto insurance premium. This definitely emphasizes the advantage of bundling policies for a multi-policy discount. I hope you found this information today helpful, whether you are a nurse or a doctor or in the medical field in some other capacity. I hope you will also take a few minutes to head over to FreeAdvice.com so that you can compare rates between the top insurance providers in your area and find out which offers the best policy for you. You don't have to deal with pushy salesmen. You don't have to take time out of your day visiting 10 offices. It's all right there on one screen ready to go for you. Our free quote comparison tool is easy to use. All you have to do is enter your zip code, answer a few questions about your vehicle and your driving situation, and within minutes, you will be able to see that list of quotes from insurance providers in your area. And you will be able to save some money by comparing those rates. I also encourage you to head over to our YouTube channel, FreeAdvice.com. You will be able to find so many helpful videos on a wide variety of topics to help you save even more money on your auto insurance, or simply learn more about auto insurance. Like, do you know what full coverage auto insurance offers? You can learn all about that with this video. Do you live in the state of Virginia and want to find out what are the top insurance providers in your state and what would be best there? Check out this video. Make sure you comment on this video if you have a question or you found something interesting. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you will have access to the videos as we publish them, so you can learn more about how to save money on your auto insurance.